Welcome to Uncommon Facts, your ultimate channel for exploring everything extraordinary. Are you ready to uncover truths and debunk myths across all realms of knowledge? From history's hidden stories to tomorrow's technology, from Earth's deep mysteries to cosmic enigmas, we dive deep into it all. Every week, we bring you facts that are as fascinating as they are rare. Dive into stories that will astonish, educate, and inspire. So make sure to subscribe and join us as we uncover the secrets of the unusual and the unknown. Here, every fact is a journey, and every story is an adventure. Join us every week as we bring you surprising revelations and strange facts that will challenge your understanding of the world around you. So hit that subscribe button, and let's start unraveling the mysteries of the universe together. Remember, every discovery tells a story, and every fact opens a door. Stay curious and prepare to be amazed. This is Uncommon Facts, where the only thing you can expect is the unexpected. Turkeys are known for their traditional reproduction involving a male and a female, but did you know that female turkeys can reproduce without a male? This fascinating phenomenon, known as parthenogenesis, allows them to produce offspring without fertilization, making them one of the few bird species capable of this unique reproductive strategy. This remarkable occurrence challenges traditional understandings of avian reproduction and provides insights into the adaptability of certain species under specific environmental conditions. It also opens new discussions in the field of reproductive biology, shedding light on how organisms can survive and reproduce in unconventional ways. The discovery of parthenogenesis in turkeys has further implications in genetics, evolution, and conservation efforts, making it a subject of great interest to scientists worldwide. What is parthenogenesis? Parthenogenesis is a form of asexual reproduction where an embryo develops without the need for fertilization by a male. This process is more commonly observed in insects, reptiles, amphibians, and some fish, but it has also been documented in certain bird species, including turkeys. This occurs when an unfertilized egg undergoes spontaneous cell division and embryonic development, resulting in offspring that are genetically similar to the mother. Scientists believe that parthenogenesis occurs when a specific combination of environmental and genetic factors trigger this process. It has been observed more frequently in domesticated turkeys, leading researchers to speculate that selective breeding in controlled environments might influence its likelihood. Understanding the underlying mechanisms behind this phenomenon could have profound implications for studying genetic inheritance, evolutionary biology, and reproductive health in avian species. Why does this happen? The reasons behind parthenogenesis in turkeys are still being studied, but scientists believe it may be an evolutionary advantage that helps maintain the species when males are scarce. Some hypothesize that this ability could be a genetic remnant from ancient ancestors of birds, where asexual reproduction was more common. Additionally, it has been suggested that parthenogenesis may serve as a survival mechanism under stressful conditions, such as when female turkeys are isolated from males for extended periods. This reproductive strategy might have allowed early bird species to sustain populations in challenging environments. The process is more likely to occur in certain turkey breeds and may be influenced by hormonal and genetic factors within individual females, making some more prone to this rare reproductive method than others. Some scientists also suggest that environmental stressors, such as changes in habitat, temperature fluctuations, and food availability, could play a role in triggering parthenogenesis, making it an intriguing subject for further research. How common is this phenomenon? Parthenogenesis in turkeys is rare compared to sexual reproduction, but it has been studied extensively in controlled laboratory settings. Studies have shown that the rate of this phenomenon can vary, with some findings suggesting that around 10 to 40% of eggs laid by isolated female turkeys can develop into viable embryos. However, the success rate of these embryos hatching and surviving to adulthood is much lower than those produced through traditional mating. Many embryos fail to develop beyond a certain stage due to genetic abnormalities. Scientists have observed that external factors such as temperature fluctuations, diet, and stress levels might also influence the frequency of parthenogenesis. Despite its low success rate, This process remains a fascinating subject of research in avian biology. The potential to manipulate this process for conservation or agricultural purposes raises significant questions about the feasibility of utilizing parthenogenesis in species management and breeding programs. What are the characteristics of parthenogenetic turkeys? Interestingly, turkeys born through parthenogenesis are almost always male. This is because birds have a sex determination system different from mammals. In birds, males have ZZ sex chromosomes, while females have ZY. When parthenogenesis occurs in turkeys, the resulting offspring tend to inherit a ZZ chromosome combination, making them male. While they appear normal in many ways, these turkeys may have reduced fertility and other developmental differences compared to their sexually reproduced counterparts. Some studies suggest that parthenogenetic turkeys exhibit slower growth rates, weaker immune responses, and increased vulnerability to diseases. Anatomical differences in their reproductive organs and muscle development have also been noted, which may impact their overall survival and reproductive success in the wild. Additionally, their ability to reproduce naturally is significantly limited, making their role in population sustainability questionable. Further research into the genetic viability and long-term health of these birds is crucial to understand the full impact of parthenogenesis in turkeys. Has this been observed in other birds? Although rare, parthenogenesis has also been observed in other bird species, including chickens and quails. However, turkeys are one of the well-documented examples in the avian world. In some cases, researchers have even induced parthenogenesis in controlled environments to study its effects more closely. This phenomenon raises interesting questions about the evolutionary significance of asexual reproduction in birds and whether other avian species possess dormant genetic mechanisms that could enable them to reproduce without fertilization under specific conditions. The occurrence of parthenogenesis in birds also suggests that it may have played a role in avian evolution, allowing certain species to survive in isolated populations. Some researchers believe that further investigation into parthenogenesis in birds could reveal insights into genetic mutations, disease resistance, and potential adaptations that have been overlooked in evolutionary studies. What are the implications of this discovery? The ability of turkeys to reproduce without males has intriguing implications for science, poultry farming, and conservation. While it is unlikely to replace traditional breeding methods, understanding parthenogenesis can help researchers explore genetic diversity, improve breeding programs, and even contribute to the study of reproductive biology in other species. Additionally, learning more about this phenomenon may aid in species conservation, particularly for endangered bird species where male populations are dwindling. If parthenogenesis can be better understood and harnessed, it could be used to support captive breeding programs for rare and endangered birds. It may also provide insights into genetic mutations and developmental processes, which could have applications in veterinary medicine and genetic engineering. Advances in biotechnology and genetic research could further explore the potential of artificially inducing parthenogenesis as a means of preserving certain avian species facing population declines. Could this have practical applications? In agricultural settings, parthenogenesis could be used to study genetic traits in turkeys without relying on male fertilization. Additionally, understanding this process may provide insights into genetic anomalies and contribute to advancements in poultry genetics. However, because parthenogenetic offspring tend to have lower survival rates and fertility issues, it is not currently a viable method for large-scale turkey farming. Some researchers are exploring the potential of selective breeding to enhance the viability of parthenogenetic offspring, though challenges remain in ensuring genetic stability and overall health in such birds. The possibility of manipulating this process through genetic engineering or hormonal treatments is also being investigated, but ethical and practical concerns must be considered before applying such methods to commercial breeding programs. If future advancements improve the viability of parthenogenetic offspring, it could lead to new opportunities in avian reproduction and genetic research. Final thoughts. Turkeys are already fascinating birds, but their ability to reproduce without a male makes them even more remarkable. While parthenogenesis remains a rare and unpredictable occurrence, it showcases the incredible adaptability of nature. As scientists continue to explore this phenomenon, we may gain even deeper insights into the mysteries of reproduction and genetics. Further studies in this field could potentially lead to new advancements in genetic engineering, avian conservation, and reproductive science, highlighting the significance of understanding non-traditional reproductive strategies in wildlife and domesticated species alike. The ongoing research into parthenogenesis not only expands our understanding of reproductive biology, but also challenges traditional perspectives on evolution and survival mechanisms in different species. So this is our today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Uncommon Facts, a channel that is entertaining as well as informative, or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.